Okay, so I just got my solar motion sensor light, and it comes with our user manual. And then we've got this solar panel, which this helps get our energy for the light. And then of course, we have got the hardware for installation, and then our light itself. So what's nice about this is that you have a good, well-rounded light that allows you to get the most, and you can adjust these sides depending on how you want your light to hit, which is pretty cool and convenient. And then you just install and attach the panel, and hopefully the light will be as bright as I expect it to.